Welcome back to Dimensions DIY. Today we are building a DIY moss wall. So let's get started. These are some bags of preserved moss we picked up at our local craft store. We'll be gluing them to a 1/4 inch 1x1 birch plywood panel. We'll start by dry fitting our design first. Not so crazy about this one. Let's try again. That's more like it. All right, it's glue time. So we're gonna put our gloves on backwards, very important. Start gluing one section and then work your way across the board. Patch up any weird spots and trim the edges with scissors. Let it dry, and you've got one panel done. Make as many as you like. We made 4. Mount it to the wall using standard picture hanging hardware. This simple project will bring a modern touch to any space. For more DIY projects, visit dimensionsdiy.com.